Day one of the ISAF Nations Cup, powered by the Triangle region. The teams are just making their way off to the racecourse. Some are already out there. It's round robins day, which means we've got a massive 45 races out on the water. 6 for each of the men's teams, around 5 for each of the women's. And bear in mind that those races are 20 minutes of energy sapping non-stop action. So it's going to be a very, very tough day for the crews out there. 6 knots of wind, and bear in mind as well the gladitorial one-on-one nature of match racing.
I think match racing is a great way of showing sailing and how action-packed it can be.
Well, I like the fact that it's so intense. You know, boats are, you only got one other boat to worry about. It's full physical activity.
Got to be able to keep a cool head under pressure. Got to be able to think clearly and execute what you want to do, and especially when another boat's on you or in one-on-one situations. Just got to really keep a cool head.
Conditions turned out to be pretty varied, and it meant for a very long day on the water for the crews, but it was worth it for the Danish side. Lotte, Meldgaard and Nicolai Sehested came out of it having won every one of their races. They were only matched by the Swedish team in the men's section. So plenty more sailing to come on Thursday, including a royal interlude when Frederik, the Crown Prince of Denmark, races alongside Danish sailing legend Jesper Bank. So that's one not to be missed, and we'll bring you highlights of that on Friday morning.